anything, would've gave you everything. I did not believe that it would end, no. Everything came second to the benzo. You're not even speaking to my friends, no. You knew all my uncles and my aunts, though. 20 candles, blow them out and open your eyes. We were looking forward to the rest of our lives. Used to keep my picture posted by your bedside. Now I see your dresser with the socks you don't like. And I'm rolling, 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 rolling with my brothers like it's Jonas Jonas. Drinking Henny and I'm trying to forget, but I can't get this shit out of my head. You probably think that you were better now, better now. You only say that 'cause I'm not around, not around. Never meant to let you down, let you down. You know I said I am better now, better now. I only say that 'cause you're not around, and I won't let you down, let you down. Oh, would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. I seen you with your other dude. He seemed like he was pretty cool. I was so broken over you. Life it goes on, what can you do? And I just wonder what it's gonna take. Another foreign or a bigger change. Because no matter how my life has changed, I keep on looking back on better days. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that 'cause I'm not around, not around. I never meant to let you down,
So ugly.
let you down. You know I said that I am better now, but now I only say that 'cause you're not around. And I won't let you down, let you down.
Oh my god.
Oh, would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. I promise, I swear to you, I'll be okay. You're only